I'm going to sing first the whole bhajan and then we will have Anu Ramesh joining us. Shri Rama 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 Raghunandana Rama Rama Shri Rama 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 Raghunandana Rama Rama Shri Rama 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 Bharatagraja Rama Rama Shri Rama 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 Bharatagraja Rama Rama Shri Rama 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 Ranadhira Rama Rama Shri Rama 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 Ranadhira Rama Rama Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Rama Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Rama Shri Rama 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 Raghunandana Rama Rama. See, I'm looking at the bhajan number 63. It adds up to 9 and it makes me happy that it's anything that adds up to 9, it's a blessing sign from Swami, in my mind at least. So, okay, Anu, are you there?
Yes, I'm here, Aunty. Sairam.
Sairam. If you can also have the Shruti on your end with the low volume, only you can hear it. It should be G sharp. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. You probably know this bhajan, Anu.
I have heard also once, I think.
Okay. So, you may have heard it a little differently than what I'm singing. So, I hope it doesn't throw you off. Because when we are doing these teaching sessions, it will be helpful if both of us sing the same way. But I do understand once it is stuck in the head, whatever we learned it's hard to break also. I'm very familiar with that too. I appreciate it, your participation. Thank you.
Sure, Aunty. Thank you.
So I'm going to break the line just in case somebody, it's a little long line. Somebody new is learning, that would help. Okay, I hope it's okay with you. Okay, Anand, can we see the lyrics, please? Shri Rama Rama Rama
Shri Rama Rama Rama
Raghunandana Rama Ram
Raghunandana Rama Ram.
Beautiful. Shri Rama 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 Raghunandana Rama Ram
Shri Rama 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 Raghunandana Rama Ram.
Shri Rama Rama Rama
Shri Rama Rama Rama
Bharatagraja Rama Ram
Bharatagraja Rama Ram
श्रीराम राम राम भरताग्रज राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम भरताग्रज राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम
रणधीरा राम राम
रणधीरा राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम रणधीरा राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम रणधीरा राम राम
रणधीरा
रणधीरा
राम राम
राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम रणधीरा राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम रणधीरा राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम
शरणं भव राम राम
शरणं भव राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम शरणं भव राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम शरणं भव राम राम
श्रीराम राम
श्रीराम राम
राम
राम शरणं भव राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम शरणं भव राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम शरणं भव राम राम
Beautiful job, beautifully done. So now I'm going to sing again. If you can repeat after me, Anu, and we'll sing the whole line instead of breaking. Is that okay?
Yes, Aunty.
Okay. Shri Ram Ram Rama Raghunandana Ram Ram
श्रीराम राम राम रघुनन्दन राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम रघुनन्दन राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम रघुनन्दन राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम भरताग्रज राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम भरताग्रज राम राम
श्रीराम राम राम भरताग्रज राम Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Bharatagraja Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Ranadhira 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 Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Ram.
Shri Rama Rama Rama
Anu?
Sharanam Bhava Rama Ram.
At the beginning of this line, Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Ram.
Shri Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Ram.
So let's do the second speed now, okay?
Sure.
Shri Rama 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 Raghunandana Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Raghunandana Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Bharatagraja Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Bharatagraja Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Ranadhira Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Ranadhira Rama Ram.
So we are doing it in the second speed. So maybe it's coming across, maybe we both are singing slow. We need to show the second speed. Shri Rama 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 Ranadhira Rama Ram. Anu, I can't hear you. I think Anu is frozen. Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Ram. Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Ram. Shri Rama 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 Raghunandana Rama Ram. I think we have a thunderstorm here. That may be the reason that Anu's connection. Is anybody?
Yes, Auntie. I'm back. I don't know if you're able to hear me now.
Now I can hear you.
Okay. The connection just dropped and popped back. So
Yeah, I think that I heard a thunder too. So
yes, Auntie.
okay. So can you sing now, and then I'll follow. Sing
Sure, Auntie.
only slow speed. Each
Okay.
line twice.
Each line twice. Okay.
Please. Thank you.
Shri Rama 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 Raghunandana Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 रघुनन्दन राम राम।
श्रीराम राम राम रघुनन्दन राम राम।
श्रीराम राम राम रघुनन्दन राम राम।
श्रीराम राम राम भरताग्रज 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 राम राम।
श्रीराम राम राम रणधीरा 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 राम राम।
श्रीराम राम राम
श्रीराम
श्रीराम श्रीराम राम राम शरणं भव राम राम।
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 Fast speed also.
I think that's good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, auntie.
The last line beginning. रणधीरा राम राम श्री. Sing the Ranadhira.
रणधीरा राम राम.
Go to that next line.
Shri. Can you show that one more time?
Yeah. Ranadhira Ram Ram. Hi, sir. Shri. Yeah, you need to go.
Shri Ram 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 Sharanam Bhava Ram Ram.
Shri Ram Ram.
Shri Ram 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 Sharanam Bhava Ram Ram.
So if I'm not putting you on the spot, this will help if somebody is trying to connect those two notes. So do you mind if I ask you to do that again? You'll be
I'll
helping.
try, auntie.
You'll be helping. Sing the third one.
Okay.
And I'll repeat and then go to.
Yeah, sure. Shri Ram Ram Ranadhira Ram Ram.
Shri Ram 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 Ranadhira Ram Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Ram.
Shri Rama 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 Sharanam Bhava Rama Ram.
We don't have a problem with this line. Only third line, I'm stopping on the high note and then starting. So
I'll keep practicing that, Auntie.
Yeah, no, you'll get it. I am very positive you'll get it. I know.
Thank you, Auntie.